Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pruning shears for gardening that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears. Bring your garden dreams to life using one of the best garden pruning shears for gardening available. Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears for gardening. This garden pruner is a fantastic choice for gardeners who want the best garden pruning shears that are strong, precise, and supremely comfortable to use. Perfectly designed for heavy-duty tasks, these garden pruner shears can easily slice through stems and branches up to 1 inch thick, making them the best pruning shears for all your pruning needs. Equipped with an ultra-durable, replaceable blade, these best garden pruners offer long-lasting cutting performance. Made from forged steel, these best garden shears are built to last, giving you the strength you need for tough jobs. The fully hardened, precision-ground bypass blade stays sharp even with regular use, and the low-friction coating ensures smooth, clean cuts. So, no deal with rust when you are just trying to prune with these best pruning shears for gardening. This thoughtful design means you can prune with ease, resulting in healthier and cleaner cuts that your plants will love. Moving on at number 4, we have the Felco F2 Pruning Shears. Meet the Felco F2 Pruning Shears, an amazing gardening pruner. Trust me, you will love them for their precision, durability, and professional-grade performance. Proudly crafted in Switzerland, these pruning shears are the best pruning shears for gardening and a testament to exceptional engineering, trusted by both gardening pros and home enthusiasts all over the world. With lightweight yet incredibly strong forged aluminum handles, they are like the featherweight champion of pruning shears for gardening, easy to handle but tough enough to take on anything. And guess what? They come with a lifetime guarantee, so it's like having a lifelong gardening buddy. The ultra-sharp, hardened carbon steel blade makes clean, effortless cuts on branches up to 1 inch thick, helping your plants thrive by minimizing damage to their stems. But wait, there is more. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ergonomic shape features an angled cutting head that reduces strain on your hands and wrists while you work. At number 3, we have the gonicc 8 Professional Premium Bypass Titanium Pruning Shears. Get ready to meet your new garden care partner. gonicc 8 Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. Designed with you in mind, featuring a sturdy drop-forged body and handles that offer strength, durability, and long-lasting performance. The best pruning shears for gardening. The cutting blade is made from premium titanium steel, ensuring it stays sharp and delivers reliable cutting power. Thanks to ultra-fine polishing technology, the blade is smooth and ready to make clean, precise cuts every time. Comfort? Oh, you bet. These best professional garden shears have ergonomic handles that are both lightweight and strong, helping to reduce hand fatigue during those longer gardening sessions. Plus, the non-slip grip gives you better control and safety while you are pruning away. Now, let's talk about that cleverly built-in sap groove design. These best pruning shears for gardening channels sap away from the blade, making sure you won't be wrestling with sticky situations while you work on those fresh branches. At number 2, we have the Haus and Garten ClassicPRO 8.5 Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. Step up your gardening game with the Haus and Garten ClassicPRO Pruning Shears, the best heavy-duty garden shears. These snazzy shears are engineered to deliver sharp, clean cuts that make your plants feel like they just got a fresh haircut. One of the best pruning shears for the serious gardener who knows that a little trim goes a long way. Crafted from Japanese-grade high-carbon steel, these best heavy-duty garden shears have ultra-sharp bypass blades that slice through stems and branches without crushing or damaging them. With an ergonomic, lightweight design, These professional quality garden pruners come equipped with non-slip grips and shock-absorbing pads of these best garden pruners that keep your hands feeling fresh while you work. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and wrist strain. Also, ideal for seniors, those with arthritis, and anyone with smaller hands who wants to enjoy gardening without discomfort. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20VMAX Pruning Shears Garden Tool. Make your garden flourish by choosing DEWALT 20VMAX Pruning Shears, one of the best garden pruning shears for gardening. This garden pruner is the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to prune like a pro without breaking a sweat. With their durable, non-stick coated blades, these best garden pruners deliver smooth, swift cuts, making them a top pick among the best pruning shears and best electric pruning shears available today. Designed as a powerful cordless garden pruner, they allow for quick blade changes with the handy included tool, so you can spend less time fiddling and more time enjoying your garden. So, these best pruning shears for gardening are not just any ordinary pruning shears. They're among the best electric pruning shears out there, ready to tackle your garden with ease. And let's not forget the onboard LED work light that brightens up those dark or shady spots, ensuring you make precise cuts every time and don't accidentally snip off your favorite flower instead of that pesky weed. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.